Exposing the secret to Windows activation. No geek speak, just a step-by-step guide. I don't think people realize how easy it is to activate Windows with PowerShell. Let's bust the myth together right now. First, grab your 25-character product key. It should look like this: XXXX, 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 XXXX. Make sure your computer's online and let's get started. Click the Start menu, type PowerShell, then right-click and select Run as administrator. Don't worry, you're still in control. Just say yes if Windows asks for permission. Now copy this command: slmgr.vbs, IPK your key here. Replace your key here with your actual product key, then press Enter. You'll see a pop-up. Click OK. Next, type slmgr.vbs, ATO, and hit Enter. Another window should pop up confirming you're all set. Want to double-check? Type slmgr.vbs.dli to view your activation status, or just head to Settings as System Activation. If you hit a snag, check your internet or try again. Still stuck? Microsoft Support's got your back.